So we are printing the NaCl slurry with 4 bar pressure and 1.2 mm nozzle, and solid loading is approximately 60%, 50 to 60%. So the object height is around 6 mm and length and width is 40 cross 40 mm. So here we can see the 3D printed NaCl parts. So this is the NaCl, and we have grounded it for making it as a fine powder, and this is our binder formula. So it has 3 materials, and these are all the sample prints. So these were fully cured and dried in the oven. So part strength also found good, and these are fresh prints and partially cured in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for half an hour. So if we keep for 1.5 hours, so most of the moisture goes out and it turns completely white. So these were printed with pneumatic paste extrusion setup, and the same can be printed in our auger setup as well. So if the customer wants to print bigger parts, once their material is optimized, then they can choose to go with our auger based setup. So this is 2-part auger. As we agreed in the specification, we will deliver one auger setup with one pneumatic setup, so customer can try both of the systems. Good morning. This is to showcase what Fabforge 3D printers are capable of. So all of these parts are printed in our Fabforge PX2 model with hybrid attachments. So our Fabforge 3D printing machine, which is generation 3 PX2, comes with pneumatic based paste extrusion system as well as direct pellet extrusion system. So it can be adapted with 5cc barrels, 30cc barrels and 55cc barrels. All of this in polypropylene material, and you can also use 55cc metal barrel and 30cc metal barrel. So this is the barrel holder setup comes, and for pellet 3D printing we give the temperature range up to 300 degrees Celsius. So you can use direct printing with polymer pellets, which supports up to 300 degrees Celsius. Also, you can use 5cc barrel in the same system if you are using a high cost material and you want to prepare it in lower volumes. So that comes with this adapter, so you can directly use dual 5cc barrels, and these are all bigger barrels, metal barrel of 300cc, and this one is also 300cc polypropylene. And our dispensing range comes in different equipment base. So these are pneumatic paste extrusion printing, and this one is a needle valve setup. So this has two models. So this were part A, part B, and this one is for single material combination. And also we have auger based system, so miniature auger based drive system. And if you see, these are all the screws used, and this screw is used in miniature auger, and this is used in the larger one. So this setup is an dual drive auger setup, and it is used for printing 2-part silicons. So this screw is used inside this particular base, and it comes with different attachments of static mixtures. And our system has different type of nozzles. So these are all disposable nozzles, and these are all precision tip nozzles. So these comes in polypropylene material and stainless steel tips. And these are all 100% stainless steel, comes in different diameter. So user can choose whether they want to use cleanable materials or disposable option. So these disposable tips comes in low cost. It's around 30 rupees per piece. So user can actually not need to clean the system. They can just simply use and throw these parts. Also, these disposable syringes you can use and throw, or if your material is cleanable, you can actually clean those things. So some printed samples from the PX2 generation 3. So this is 3D printed cement, white cement, and this is silicon part A, part B mixture, and this is P-bed pellet used in bio applications, and this is PLA pellet, and these are UV cured gels. So you can use UV gels directly on this printer. So this is our UV attachment. It comes in different wavelengths. So 405, 365, 450 and 520. So whatever the photoacrylates you are using, you can choose the wavelength accordingly. And this is a flexible UV gel. So and this one is high temperature resistant UV gel, and this is also flexible. And these are all RTV silicons. So you can see continuous on the fly change part here. And this one is multi-material printing, so you can use 2 or 4 materials depending on your nozzle capability in a single part. And you can see our on the fly change system. So when you are using with 30cc or 55cc barrels, you don't actually need to go for larger barrels. Once the part material is completed, you can actually change the barrel while giving pass command. So it will continue from the previous place it stopped printing. And these are all some materials. So these are all industrial grade RTV silicons, and these are all medical grade part A, part B silicons. And this is PCL pellet, and this one is P-bed pellet. So The generation 3 systems have a larger capabilities. We have shown some samples of our printed parts, but it can also print with bioceramics, technical ceramics, or any material which is in paste form up to 20,000 poise viscosity. So in Fabforge we actually do customization of our machines depending on the user requirements. So once we get the clear idea of the applications, we suggest them with which system they can go for, and accordingly we deliver the machines. Thank you.